The Tdk-Lambda v604g3n is a custom output power supply with 5 voltage outputs. At ERD, we routinely receive these power supplies, which always require a full rebuild of both the main controller and the individual output modules. After repair, we load each module to ensure full proper operation. This particular video is of the power supply having its 5V 20A output module being loaded at 10 amps. For those looking really close, the voltage on our dynamic load shows 4 volts, which is due to the sense lines not being hooked up, which cause our dynamic load to read low, even though a meter at the terminal would read 5 volts DC.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.